Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick and easy Alfredo sauce full guide. Start by melting butter in a pan over medium heat, then add minced garlic and cook briefly until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream and simmer gently while whisking in grated Parmesan until smooth. Season with salt and cracked black pepper, taste, and finish with chopped parsley before serving hot over freshly cooked pasta. Gather all ingredients before you begin to keep the process quick and stress-free. Measure heavy cream, butter, and freshly grated Parmesan so the sauce comes together smoothly. Mince garlic finely and have salt and pepper ready for seasoning. Warm the cream gently and whisk in cheese gradually to avoid clumping. Finish with a squeeze of lemon if desired and toss immediately with hot pasta so the sauce clings evenly. Start by melting butter and gently cooking garlic just until fragrant, taking care not to brown it. Pour in heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer, then lower heat and whisk in Parmesan in small batches so it melts evenly. If the sauce thickens too much, stir in a splash of reserved pasta water to loosen it and help coat the noodles. Serve immediately while warm and silky for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.